I'm sure so ready no do no more the kante anajia say eye Okatakyie free farmers finally she say yom she nyina na eja ye tracking the car dey ye ni say dey dey chi finally national security the omo person omo ye no mai I'm sure somebody say yes say eye Owura Abdul Razak our year that is the national security coordinator on the team etimia grabbe eye Okatakyie free farmers. This is the news that is circulating now. Ubekaya Enra made this update Ebremo say Saturday we for the records or machines are Jaya Hakeno Yamia Dom depending on the Starlink as a source of internet services. Ubetimia be boy Juma a Saturday a day and you look at the TV to me about Emma Ghana for the NS. I don't want to answer any. Yeah, I posted this specifically on my Facebook account and I be posted to we. Me imagine say eye wo mom hwe me wo mu TV so YouTube ni ade no me details ne bebremo eye nyankopon boa echina na nkoma bete ho achem so Okatakyie ba because ma fe no finally wo ba na eja ade empo anche sem de san komo ne bremo ene sa anadwu ya Okatakyie yesi wa pon from eye unzo ko school wo jempo to aso eja degree ni nyina wa bobo bi kura then so set to anim die so this time I was Ghana law true exams that owie ya so TC ya national security simedimni. This is an update ebusuame years I said na be buefo pa and ago na mensa kan yes information we e ma me ko update ye to me Facebook account on cramp%. I just pray say enye no what as I say because said and 76 kono o ma hwe be invite you see ku bad time mo protecting nipa all right ikurawo anaso o minor mamra edema no ma hwe a ye de NDC aban be jawo mo. These kind of things can close a whole lot of doors for you people. Umpesi we are say asombete sa ankwasese we ya mudi ni nyina what I say because if you want to pick Okatakyie you gotta pick Okatakyie long time ago last week or time or year na been say eja because of these things cost until or fixing the internet service no problem in you gotta pick him. Well, we know our year so be call what did notice about what things Saturday or beba be boy man. I don't watching. I didn't watching about 2 days ago. 48 hours ago. I didn't watching. Right after 1 hour or ba. For the records no air say baby streaming live. It just say TV stations come to office every ba. They just want to broadcast an aspect of it on per se content Okatakyie the more much streaming be. TV stations in the tem. Ghana. The man neighbor radio station neighbor. What I say if radio station no kura no Okatakyie so be a whole license no and same be buying a whole lot of damn things doing everything possible to stop him. We grab because I can information you your source no way Abraham tell no you update to Facebook say na me bu akina may cause 1 or 2 be na and same no no kura ni nyina na me dey aba achi but yes said I me go have time here me I say me kwa da no a me nya sa update we from a very credible source as se mentimi mubodi tina makata kata binim din so any ade no this source no the kind of source that there is no way say ayetro so then it confirms to say o ma che Okatakyie free farmers aye no kre na me be kan bi chew enra say me metina ha na me kan nsem a enya agro ne yedie no ma na ya na kura ye ne source no ya na no odin idi ube kaya video amede brewo eye enra any even earlier today the video be bremo me catch them say brand here bi na also a national service personnel no am Okatakyie the camera caught to the nimo hwe akwan so a national service personnel as say ochi say range o say Kia and adu 11:30 p.m. After Okatakyie and the boys meeting only the team meeting because of fresh air omo tia bontin now omo hu say ka bi teli omo me that details na bremo ka bi teli omo now Okatakyie hu say ka no teli omo no timi signal the team say chele bo hu say ka si hoyi teli me and the boy just Okatakyie forget na we e bia osini baby na that same car similar car no Okatakyie hu say 3 hours later the same car no said dinechi abra wonam ekwan so na okofi so we nye coincident we strange say cars no hu ye the 2 cars na park ya na site no the same cars kwa say show 11:30 unim nyansa obe stop cars no unim nyansa abe question cars no ya dia it happen on just the road na Okatakyie ye be ka so different But 2 times, same cars. After 3 hours, same cars on the road, 2 cars now the same thing. Bebe catch him say, NDC ebe contact boy no. Akwa no kra car na wotwi no, e wrong say any number plate o. But aban ne mfa na adwen kɔ hɔ so otwi car na so okokum ni pass boot anase de. Aban no enhwe ho. They will look for the driver. Now or mama driver na tiase say TDA pa. Was here do to national service scheme so. Because they control, the national service system they control the CCA. The BN with their dance here say we a national service personnel student. I know say doing national service age doesn't matter. It will be just 788 as a 577 Ghana cedis. Oh, which is our key as a wage. Utimi. Up for you my 11:30 p.m. to 12. You think we are fools? How are you servicing even machine equitable? But NDC for ebeshada ase akoyeti epushini kopem say obeta to Okatakyie na insem na akoyeti say cold case any ade Okatakyie the camera to no so Okatakyie accused to. This is what the NDCs will be looking for. I told you. Wow, heard that video ni me catch him. Less than 24 hours in here. I'm not sure say even do 20 hours 12 hours be I'm not sure say do even 20 hours and it's heard yes. But Trani a cancer more. Hey, you can't throw maybe that for reputation sake in teen Sebia, Miss Oberton or K1ng Ghana Hebiano. Forget it and conform on the Omobro for a dog with Tim Yabako pet Jandam. Omuni any vocabulary bia. Even when you tell them to open their dictionary, say Jandam no class they don't know. I might say program AI CB show them and name they can't think. The people they listen to think for them. Do better be a who video bako. Now one more bro back here jandam onyamu se wo kind of kra no and you be once a comment section as almost saso sen kra dey jandam omo bro back here jandam. And you know what the man some ya refo ne say omo di mi ni nyina chi no so ho te say Kevin Taylor wa bon ya oni fact bia onyina nkra ta so nkasada te say Daily Graphic akasa Joy Prime akasa and all match article bi no akotwitwa article no atrance no aka ho asema 5 hours to edidi amanfo atama emu be 2 hours di edidi atam what I say onkotwe constitution be Kenya sesem Kevin Taylor onka bibia nyansa wo muda osore ano the loud silence media no wa register no be a company denti no odidi ato so di akokọ nkrata mu they say the work company papa bi no the church letter ma agencies put two people in trouble. Some questions say we nyina ye ho nyina say we obi a only grounds in life and so waso but so you obi a what grounds in life on feel that on body that because odwin say so obodi a ebia na beef no abeto ne ntem no nanim aguase nti most of the times or attack people or Ghana because Ghana no and a system ni very weak but people are omo akwantu mu omo bobra woni mo oseche ledo about him say go for omo din kasem osuro kra. What I say but omo hu ni say system ni betumi benefit because system no masses no and more bebre ni di nachi so just the masses support no enough for him then ye omo training video na kwase akeka 2 weeks later na no crab asen sama Kevin na hihan ni kan ni na etro people still watch it they say including the gold expose no a utimi ede about 2 days and the camera edi a billion bars no gold bars no car no echi ana PMMC we are go there won see a daily obi ebesi ne nyina ye trop he keeps on embarrassing and defaming people all the time be imagine say me fa video bi ambre mo ne because Japan nsem le copy mo court no afi na me be detailing nsem no mu no kra kire mo nyame bu achina so have to rest for a year today then so nsem no the cost no I was saying so camera na me be cheche mu the record the talk at the FIFA. And so as I'm talking to you, what you are seeing you in the screen, the people to screen it is here. Do not forget to screenshot it and share it to everywhere that you can. Share what I say a year with social media handle be what you should craft it no mesekofa they post it to her TikTok everywhere post it say free Okatakyie free for now. The saddest aspect and say omo no man fananko be bia say the headquarters for National Security headquarters Blue Gate honom de nakop on said the National Security no omo departments na hodo be brave exercise here and the BNI de omo fananko be bia say omo de na ekọ Blue Gate headquarters pa and almost Okatakyie and they call these things are not fair. We impeach what we call right to express your freedom and right to express your movement. We impeach these kind of things. National security. Ora Osman. Unye papa bi anye ye do ko to national security ano no as a coordinator no kwasasem nko a kwasasem nko a woni ora team no kwasasem nko a wo mo ya che wo matum dada no e wo so mo dem no mo gya wo mo nyina mo nam kwan bone so hyehye no ma se egya wo nyina criminals no mo gya wo mo just because so mo ye NDC for ana wo mo a omuni criminal record no mo tata wo Jimmy Ben no Jimmy Ben no mo abuse mo power mo abuse right now even constitution e dia mamu ankasa no mo abuse no. But one thing that I want to remind you on is that do not forget say 2 minutes kuta mo CC the Mahama utie me 2 minutes kuta CC in 4 years no wouldn't did it forever. The saddest thing and is a passport service now mo se mo ye and is normal we be hwe say because normal mo ye no ehim kwasasem too much hard village near there dey do kremu for no that season no festive no omo how many times once a year you want to build a terminal for them into once a year no mu twem koba ha na nya aka no mu de ayede boni nti se na bia mbetimi apushi cool nkuro ya cool e wo so yi Mahama believe say omo peace because soja ban and when it comes to war ombetimi aboa no ama na Ghana no for another 4 years. Se Ghana for penny be sorry tia so mu de cool beba just because he want to amend the constitution no dey a bill ebetimi aboa no amana ko 4 years after this 4 years. I command the Speaker of Parliament, and you know about bail, or be accepted. They will give it to the members of Parliament and proceed and go to the Council of State. Into the Council of State. One would say, "I will make it sure so be a member of the Council of State." Diano, we will be a odo NDC. So I know my way in a agency and come wasem. I did say even the Council of State, you know, those who move to Mahama for channel, Nyanya Sasamo, scamming a bem, fraud a bem. Ye pick people who will be able to support him after our day a amendment bill as say the metro article of the constitution is stopping Mahama say being who we are seeing no Ghana obetimi akom more than 8 years our Ghana president akonya so now say metro constitution now you free ho enye yentim constitution no e de safo bi toto ya locking no say nyi no the safo bi ode atoto say ansa na betimi abie no say ni wo so ye what they call parliament back in ho na Council of State no even the Council of State the ground omo manipulating what you say it is no to parliament they have the numbers already the 2/3 of parliament and no more can say Mahama betimi akọ another 4 years near that as a chairman made share no they have the numbers it will prepare the amendment bill so person another 4 years parliament or numbers no MPP for our parliament or mobile parliament to Benya numbers never support to see a dear to 4 years. Speaker of Parliament in Sushi Monos Wadiatum. After the Aqua Command the Council of State Members. As Abraham Lucas here, the fraudsters. I'm calling them fraudsters not because of say I'm disrespecting them. Not in that way. But you made the end by the person or do something to fraud the nation. Or be bought mining in our chrono. Intinya fair how he appointed them. Baby Biara or Motua Bani Bia. Obi aye MPP ni ana any other party ni bia we so we ni bia no almost kata ho especially Asante region almost kata ho ma aba no e te say ne sadia Council of State membership ni you know aba ne be sa ato ne foforo so na nkwasasem to mo to ne foforo na afi akoye te say afi de NDC ni awi mo na wo power ana wontimi nye hwe mfa ho wontimi nkonkwasi awi na afi sa wo de ahye the Council of State membership sa nkwasasem wi it's the Council of State membership no so mrana say obehwem 3 months or I think it's 6 months. Omushwe we are now when the report come out parliament in the back and answer the Speaker of Parliament and say ya hwemu wie you shame we ya dia to mutimi call 4 years now person san call after 4 years and no now if you are creating referendum say about 3-4 regions of Ghana no monto aba Mahama here 80% of the vote san kwasa say we don't person we you it you also master that the GDA ni nyina ne video person we no omo person we depending on a few regions be so I say also tribal politics any other especially they want to do everything possible say the hard village no be senior there so mutimi yes ama wo mo aba no referendum no the Tusu Northern region 4-5 no say omonto sabana because of hard village no they will not disappoint Mahama so unsan kwasi asem wetimi akọ another 4 years yes because the constitution in state was about 6 or 4-5 regions and it was a 12 and the whole Ghana when you're 80% of it so timinya then Mahama it's me call additional 4 years money it you know I was no this in kwasi asem with you ye imagine say me cheche mu nkodi mu be ya na ma cheche because mu gimi no anu ode dodo san kwase se we nyina o edunti ana NDC for empe kura so Okatakyie be kasa because the more Okatakyie expose wo no na more ye unpopular and the more they becomes unpopular no, the agenda to go for the next 4 years they bedru ho no ye nuanum se mofo no behu se awonafo no mehu se sa NDC motaye that to Obama for more than 30 years even Rollins ye dinejia for more than 23 years Sana Rollins or a phone to Mons Mobile and into development beyond man farmer. So, send a bear NDC for no almost strongholds no, or my dream MB no. I don't know what I talk at the same because I can see a bio many. Or the woman who said, or what the NDC a chat NDC make it a fool out of them. And they can't some of the regions are dead if you were as I say a bad migration. I mean, yes, when him Sasma K1ng Ghana. Huh? Minua young na bi hwe bonim sasema making and okra beti sensu ayira fa amanfo munya ba bi da young na mem san kwase sem nyina ye no ma e was nka omudi blame no ma NDC because NDC na motomo omu ye anya MPP mu stronghold ni mo na modo omo power enso mo mam ba bi da okro mu nipa mu because of lack of development and according to Ghana Statistics Board as one say regions so mu tu kwan pa kwa the account state no voter region any the northern sectors 4-5 northern sectors no mu to kwan papa o mu move to the account state and no kire wo say baby o mu free no development o mu ba be dey o be pay adwuma ni o mu krom ade NDC what time wo mu e be ka ho asem e dia no be kanti mu se mu be control communication to the extent say you are willing to spend about 788 billion e wo Felix Fosu kwachi na se sika mu hu ncheche mu papa bia ne nkwase explanations ana mo de ba the ministry we are question say any just to be able to control people who you want them to talk for you on the internet would be better to your and people whom you don't want them to talk at all would be also be servicing the national security or else man razak no more bully a man for nyam na mutimi media wa ha ye be kan okra no kosi dan da nyina otwedi amponte ase ono ene no kofo unya kini do not forget the details of what really happened between Anas and K1ng. The desired details to be bring much. For now, don't forget, say a free Okatakyie free fan now. I will know screen to be screenshot. Say baby how bit we be a share. Because Mahama, when your Okatakyie could be win pa boni for, why you be that? A my renfi. A be seen there. Baby a Tamos, now what Tiano, say on my penino, when Timian to now be seen there. Also want to me now, Bonnie Ben way into your own to me now. Being I see and can't want some. I don't yame and they come off. The Sierra so Okatakyie or Babon Hobby. Then we at me come. Will be answered to me find a sankan. Okay, we are say one more almost show what we call democracy. So, we who how poor and stupid Mahama government NDC is. Eh, what I say about Nasi? A man for better on Krata and a good. We never bam also. Eh, baby, I Krata the F location. I Krata to me quite anonymous and don't bet him. And you know Okatakyie is popular. Searching him on the internet to verify. And yet they cry. That's as much. Maybe I make here with Tiana Metro. But the team will write. About 100 people make giant letters in the book. And Mahama, you'll be called to question. You know it. You know it. Wouldn't say they also throw BBC and CNN. Wouldn't say they also throw the British. You know it. And we didn't have all the whole 40 the cool states in the whole. Now, I quite to say, we should put here, Chibini, Adiadibi. Say, be able to do Kwasi because when you saw only bit me up. You can run, but not hide. No cry no bedi wechi. Yeah, dear father, you a cool and a gentleman. Don't allow political gimmick ways to control you, Mahama. Be fair, said the amount for Kafa and was all your fair. Be that fair, be that gentleman. What's your sense? You can't achieve money yet, you ah, say near dear Kevin Taylor and got to or no crowd and I'm one at the typical where Jimmy Sab one somehow what canoe. I see, Bibia. This will be unquote to the extent. See, you should the USA are buying, regardless of the friendship between a US are buying a Kofado government. Omodi ko manipulate and also omodi ko attack yeah Kevin Taylor. Obi amfano, you okay no okay kwa. What are senders? Inti munyo Okatakyie no nyere. Then you way any right. Why are you attacking him? And you see, if whatever you do in here right, na boni bi anymore. Okatakyie nyam once and morning. And say fake viewers and a shred one. Why are you bothered? So fake viewers do munye nipa. So Okatakyie is talking to ghosts. Omo munye nipa. How does that concern you? And now, and fake viewers na mobwa. He was talking to real human beings. when you are nonsense. You are say be kind of create a Ghana for Libya. Now we watch now. Now sorry, we are nas. Any care Japan. Details near Besani Moha. I'm a Ghana for who crap. And crap. Say the amount for Kano. Miss try a be any hole. Now miss try a be or any see your potty. Bloggers did change a movie. Then the sound of crab later. When you are kidding anybody cry. Free Okatakyie a free far. Now a crab.
K1ng, oh boy, Juma, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, news in the bar. So you see commentary for home, so good. Keep on going.
And the start also the Ebema other tribe a flow. Unyi sorted, India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know say Uncle commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we need be our question free there, but it's all good. We are the K1ng for modern K1ng what try